The blue one. So, hopefully this one. This has been open too. I bought these all, like, not brand new. They're, like, second hand. I forgot to say that in the last video. Last week. But what are you meant to do here? You got the jack, and then you got the 2 hearts. What are you meant to do there? You got whatever that is. Oh, the ball. Jesus Christ. Is that meant to go like that? And then I don't know. How's this? What is this? Oh, that comes off. This is so confusing. Oh. What? That's so confusing. What? I don't know what this part is either. There's... Ah! I get it. So, you show the ball, like that. And then what you do, you go... like that. Yeah, that's how you do it. Ah, right, I see. But it still doesn't make sense. I don't really know. I don't know how to do the hearts. I don't know why this is this lid here. Don't know what this is. I guess it goes in there. I don't know. I really don't know.